Snap-on to haul. Yep, I did it. This is what I got. Snap-on long neck quarter drive battery ratchet. There's the part number. Came with a ratchet, charger, and 2 batteries, which you can see right there I'm charging one. And I just got this, but I've been wanting a quarter drive battery ratchet, and I was trying to make up my mind between this one and the Milwaukee. These are the two I chose because of how slim the whole package is, especially concerning the battery. I have a Milwaukee 3/8 impact, so I already have a charger for the Milwaukee, so I could buy just a tool and a battery tool for it. But my Snap-on guy knows I've been wanting this. I keep asking him about it, and he gave it to me for just under $500 for the whole kit. So I finally said yes. It was just under $600. I think it's like $80 off he gave me, but he won the sale. Quarter drive. Sure, everybody's seen the ratchet. Well, it has a little light on it, which kind of seems stupid to me, but forward or backwards. So, and I wanted the quarter because I've been doing a lot of interior work with dashboards and installing electronic components and heater cores and fans and blah blah blah. So I went with this one first. But if I want to go make it a 3/8, I have either this expert adapter, which is a magnetic adapter. This is impact rated, by the way. So I can put that on, maybe, and make it work as a 3/8. Or I also have this ARE adapter set. I use these all the time. I love them. Seeing it really doesn't extend it out that much. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I just got this today, so this is just an overview on this one. But the other Snap-on item that I have to show is this. I've seen other videos that people have done. I always thought, man, that thing is huge. Why would somebody want something that big? And you know, I just never did it. Well, he had a couple of these on the truck, and this is a model 300, O for orange, and I didn't realize that there's a bigger model, which is a 400. So I bought it, and as you can see, I've already used it today. Well, I've had this actually for about a week now, but so far I'm really enjoying it. I like the lock feature. You can adjust the flame, turn it off just like that. So this is my other item. Like I said, actually today alone I've used this quite a bit, putting some plow lights, some LED plow lights on a truck for the wiring harness, and this thing has been very nice. So I've only had this for about a week, but so far so good. What do you think? Already been using that. This has been great. This was 60 bucks, I think. It was on promo. Which isn't outrageous because I have a master torch and it was $45. So I don't think that's too bad. And then the Ratchet. I'm hoping Milwaukee guys aren't going to get mad at me. I have not used this yet, so I can't say good things or bad. But I'm excited to get this some use. So that is my Snap-on tool haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments below, please leave them. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share if possible. It helps the channel out. It helps me to get discovered by more people. And I'll have something for you next time. All right? One Mechanic out. Ciao.